Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman prepares to present her 8th consecutive budget on February 1st, people await tax relief. Of course, it would help them increasing their disposable income and aid consumption. Two important key announcements is expected in the upcoming budget on taxation front. One is with respect to new income tax regime. Government is considering to reduce the tax rate for income up to 10 lakh rupees. At present, income up to 7.5 lakh rupees is tax-free. So the new income perhaps could offer higher tax-free income. In the July budget, as you know, the government has already tweaked the new income tax regime to make it further lucrative, where we have seen tinkering with the two lower income slab group, and in fact there is an increase of standard deduction to 75,000 from 50,000. The government intends to make it more attractive so that more taxpayer could opt for the new tax regime. So far, about 72% of the taxpayer is already switched to the new tax regime. The another key announcement is with respect to new income tax bill, where the aim is to replace the decade-old Income Tax Act 1961. Now, this bill could be in the form of draft, which could be proposed in the upcoming budget, where the government is expected to seek comments from all these stakeholders, which also implies that this will be in the form of the draft, and more a suggestion could be considered and could be tweaked accordingly in the final bill. So the implementation part of the bill could come later in the year and not in the upcoming budget. If you talk about the contour of the new income tax bill, though it's still in the finalization stage and the internal committee is still working on it, what we are gathering from the sources is that many redundant provisions could be eliminated. In fact, provisions before 2012 and 13 could be totally removed. The tax redressal system could see facelift, and in fact, those provisions which have no use in the current economic system will be done away with. The government sources are also telling us that new income tax bill is preparing with an intent to simplify the language and to make the structure more precise and lucid. With that intent, we will see the draft proposal in the upcoming budget. However, as I mentioned, the implementation part could take longer. To summarize, two important aspects you have to watch for. One is, of course, with respect to the changes which is expected to modify the new income tax regime further to attract more taxpayers, and second on the new income tax bill, which is going to change the entire structure of the direct tax laws.